Hi everybody, Graham Dixon here, based on the Wirral up in the northwest. Been investing in property for probably 8 years now. I've built myself a buy-to-let portfolio, also involved in some joint venture deals and some development projects. But about 18 months ago decided to join EPT to progress my property journey, meet another group of investors and explore strategies that I've not previously been involved with. So having done that and attended some EPT live meetings and the weekly webinars that are held as part of the forum, I've focused from the middle part of this year on deal sourcing as a strategy, and since then have sold a number of deals via Arsh, and EPT has made that bit easier for me to get started upon because Arsh has a wide range of investor contacts, including a massive database that are looking for the sort of deals that we're packaging up, and therefore they're usually sold same day, next day. So that's got me started while I build my own database, and obviously there's guidance and support along the way. And that was my main reason for joining, and I'll be focusing more on that and getting more professional and set up and producing more and more deals going into 2018. So if anybody is watching this and thinking of joining EPT, I'd recommend that you do so, whether you're a newbie or an experienced investor, because the EPT forum now contains many investors with wide-ranging knowledge and experience who can help the newbie with little capital get started and select the right strategy and support them as they go through it, or even those with vast experience. Then with the collective knowledge of the group, there's something for everyone. So if that sounds interesting, I may well be seeing you at an EPT live meet sometime in 2018. And that's all from me, and I wish you well. Bye.